Face a regional finale की full updates. Have a look.
हाल ही में क्लीन एंड क्लियर कोलकाता टाइम्स फ्रेश फेस का हुआ फिनाले, जहां बड़े बड़े कॉलेजेस से कई सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने किया पार्टिसिपेट। क्लीन एंड क्लियर कोलकाता टाइम्स फ्रेश फेस को जज करने आए काफी फेमस पर्सनालिटीज फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री। यहां पर आए जजेस से हमने बात की एंड दे शेयर देयर एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ जजिंग दिस शो।
It's a very interesting event, and we are looking at it like as a designer also we are always looking for fresh faces. So this event actually getting in a lot of freshers who are really talented but don't get a chance to go out of the college and pursue this line. So I think this is like a all in all a nice platform to promote these youngsters.
Since the event happens in Kolkata and Calcutta Times is a very known paper over here, so we get to hear a lot. We've been hearing a lot for the past 2 years. I think this is the 3rd year, and it's great to see people from colleges, young girls and boys coming up with a lot of zeal.
फैशन डिजाइनर अभिषेक दत्ता ने हमें ये तक बताया कि किस तरह ये प्लेटफॉर्म सभी कंटेस्टेंट्स के लिए होगा बेनिफिशियल।
It's a stepping stone for them. So this is the first initial steps taken by them. So they get the encouragement as well as the platform to come before the audience, come before the media, and from here this is a starting stone. So from here they take it forward, go for print media or as well as television or any other even modeling ramp. So I think it's a stepping stone for them and they'll take it forward from there.
इस रीजनल फिनाले के विनर से भी हमने बात की एंड दे शेयर देयर एक्साइटमेंट विद अस।
It feels really great, ecstatic. I can't really write it. I mean, I can't describe it, in words.
Feeling excited, had a good support from the audience out here, and yes, all thanks to Rajat and Kaushik sir out here.
As faces of Clean and Clear, fresh faces Naina and Ashrita have gotten featured in the advertisements of Clean and Clear Times Fresh Face. Clean and Clear and Fresh Face have enabled young girls to be confident and vibrant. Discover new possibilities with confidence from Clean and Clear. इस रीजनल फिनाले से चुनी गई काफी कंटेस्टेंट्स। After the grand finale, winners will not only receive the Clean and Clear Kolkata Times Fresh Face title, but will also get a chance to star in the next Clean and Clear TV campaign.
सिनेमा हो या बिजनेस, आर्ट हो या स्पोर्ट्स, रॉयल्टी हो या फैशन, ये है इंडिया का वन एंड ओनली पर्सनालिटी बेस्ड अवार्ड। यहाँ बॉलीवुड के ग्लैमरस सुपरस्टार से लेकर बिजनेस की दुनिया के बिग डैडीज तक बड़े से बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज एक साथ दिखाई देंगे। Serum Institute Cyrus Poonawalla Group Hello Hall of Fame Awards. For more on this, tune into Zoom tonight at 9 p.m. With this, it's a wrap. See you tomorrow at 7 p.m. for your daily dose of B-Town's hottest news, gossip and scoops on Planet Bollywood News. Till then, keep watching Zoom.